Yeah. And then I need a thing right here where you would just go and it would turn it around. Wow.
I was trying to see what it looked like with glasses on the mask.
Dude, seriously?
What?
I don't even know. What is that?
I was trying to see what it looked like.
Yeah, it looks interesting. Can you see through it?
Yeah, very well actually.
Really?
Hugely.
Hugely?
Yeah. And people say you need a face mask, so.
Yeah, you need a legit head mask. I like it because it looks like you have horns. Yeah, that looks good. You should do that for the rest of the day. When you're into your stuff, you probably get hot as heck.
What? I usually wear.
Hey folks, welcome back to this episode of Live Today Like It Matters. For those of you that don't know, I'm Jeremy. This is Sarah, and our family of 5 has went full-time on the road, living in an RV, experience new experiences and new things, and choose to live today like it matters.
In this episode, we're going to share with you our trip to Lake Gaston. The Lake Gaston's kind of in the middle of nowhere. It's kind of out there. So Lake Gaston sits on the border of Virginia and North Carolina, and it has 350 miles of shoreline. The dam was built in 1963, but the appeal for us was actually the people we went to go see.
Yeah, I mean, this trip has been about seeing new sights and experiencing new things and new places, but also it's about reconnecting and recharging with good friends and family that are along the way.
Yes. Yeah, so we had an opportunity to head down south, and so we were like, sweet, let's go to Lake Gaston and see our friends. So we got to stay at the Lake Gaston Thousand Trails campsite, which we're going to talk more in depth about in an upcoming bonus video. But it was a really great place for us to reconnect with our family and to recharge, especially for Jeremy, who had been putting in a lot of work getting us all set up in our RV.
Yeah, we've taken some time just to kind of make sure we have what we need, finish up some loose ends. It's been off and on here for the last 2 months of just doing that. I think the last video we told you we jumped in a little earlier than we expected, but it's been great to do that. So now as we hit the road each time, it's just been another way to kind of experience what we're doing and live it out. And that's the exciting part of what we're doing. All right, Lake Gaston was a fun time. We were able to explore the place. The kids rode the bikes all through there, and we had some fun doing that. There was a beach there where you could kind of get right onto the water.
Look at the one jet ski.
Somebody's parked it there. What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know.
Wow, that was very insightful.
This is what I'm gonna say for myself.
You?
It's very
amazing. Is that what you're gonna say?
Let's just go with that.
All right, that works. No.
That's some slimy sand. Oh yeah, I'll grab a handful to show you that.
No, I'm good. I trust you.
Tastes like.
There's a pool you could get into. We didn't have time to get to the pool, but it was a nice little thing there. And it was a marina, so they had some docks. We had to go out and look at some of the boats. And we were also, Victor and I were messing around with our GoPros, trying to explore, try different things. I was trying it holding while on the bike, and so it was kind of fun to do that. But all spend time together while we were doing it. And so another thing that was interesting, and I don't know if it's Thousand Trails thing or what, but there was like gnomes everywhere.
I think so far it's just been that one.
I don't know. We were going to see. Maybe you guys know. You've been to some more Thousand Trail campsites. We're new and going to different ones, but like this place, there was like they had some individual gnomes like scattered throughout the woods, but they were literally everywhere. But you'd come across just a random place where there was like a gnome village, and I took some footage of that, but it was really unique.
There's actually gnomes right by our trailer.
Like a gnome village everywhere. If there was a knot in a tree, there was a gnome in it, or a gnome village. So it was really interesting. But it was a cool place. And painted rocks.
Yeah. That one's all good. That one right there. Those are crazy. Oh god.
Yeah. He's hanging out with the angel.
Yeah, but the rock
Playing,
ones.
oh, he's playing the angel flute.
They're pretty straight face. Those rock ones are pretty straight face.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
Oh, but rest assured, we got SpongeBob SquarePants.
After we spent some time together as a family at the Thousand Trails Park, we got to see some really good friends of ours, Michael and Wendy Graham. Shout out to you guys.
Yeah, we had a blast, as always. These are friends that we made in the past, but it's been a while since we can reconnect, so that was fun.
Yeah, we always enjoy our time with Wendy and Michael, and on this particular trip, we got to go hang out on Lake Gaston together. If it was on, we'd sit down and watch it, but if we just listened to it, it was so good. So it's kind of the same way with Hamilton.
Checking you guys out. No, I'm checking you guys out. How is it?
It's like
Legit?
walking on water.
Sweet. Beautiful Lake Gaston. Still warm? Last man standing. And everybody's down. Nice.
No, ready? You wanna go with me and then you can. Ready?
There you go.
Fun.
If you lost water, this is like clear water. Like Bora Bora.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be really cool.
Got to go get some ice cream at
The Chili Chicken in
Yes.
Warrington, North Carolina. If you get in the area, go by and check it out. It was awesome.
amazing. Yeah, and we just had a really good time reconnecting and just sharing some ideas and things that we're doing and what they're doing. And I think a big part of our trip for us is seeing our friends. We talked about that, you know, because we have friends all over the United States and in Canada, and just being able to get to where they are and see things from their perspectives.
Yeah.
You know, their landscaping, their sights.
Yeah, it's part of the adventure. So that's what the trip's about. So it was good.
Yes. So do you feel like you've reconnected with friends and with the kids and recharged?
Yeah, each time we go and each trip and each place is all adds to that. So that's the fun part of it.
Yes.
So anyway, thanks for joining us. Come back next time. We'll be discussing some more places that we've been
Yes.
and giving you some more insight into our RV life.
Do you need another piece?
Do all 3 corners. Yeah, this is good. Doing a video. Things that you had that come up. This could be worse.
What happened?
I don't know. There's an emergency latch on the inside of the window, and if it gets unlatched, it could have vibrated free on the gravel road out, or somebody could have bumped it. But I happened to see the window open in the rearview mirror. Oops.
But the slides are in and we
So we couldn't get to it though because of the slides. So temporary fix until we get stopped to the next location. This should hold it fine. And while you carry duct tape. And also make sure that you don't put your duct tape tucked away where it makes you unpack your truck. Find it. Thankfully I had a second roll in the outdoor kitchen. So, should work.
Where did you see that?
You saw what?
The honey wagon.
It's a honey wagon.
It skips up your poop.
Yeah.
There's no sewage in where we are. And it had turds in it. It was like, oh, why do they call it the honey wagon then? 'Cause it's honey.
distance, so not too far from it. Nice little setup.
Jack, you wanna go? Jack, you wanna jump in? Wow.